Okay, so this is another one of those times that the thing that AOPS is looking for is this knowledge that if you can get a 2 and a 5, that equals a 10, and that the digits you get one digit, you get a 0 from that 10 when you multiply it by other things. The next thing is that you know this law of exponents, that if 8 to the 10th is really 2 to the 3rd to the 10th, so 8 to the 10th equals 2 to the 30th, because it would be 2 to the 3rd 10 times 2 to the 30th. Now when you look at it, you say, well, how many? So looking at it as 2 to the 30th times 5 to the 22nd, you can rearrange it into a bunch of 2 times 5 pairs. You can do that once, twice. How many times can you do that? You can do it 22 times. Then you run out of 5s. Well, what's left after that? You have 8 more 2s, 2 to the 8th. Okay, so you have 22 zeros and 2 to the 8th. Okay, but let's think about 2 to the 8th. So 2 to the 5th is 32. 2 to the 10th is 1024. So you can either multiply by 8 or divide by 2, either way. So if you do times 8, you get to 2 to the 8th, or divided by 2, divided by 2. And what do you get to? You get 256. So you get 256 and then 22 zeros. So altogether, how many digits do you have? So you should have 22 plus 3, 25 digits. Okay, so just remember, make 2s and 5s together. They are zeros. That helps you to count the digits.